Yes, now we are discussing about Ashtanga Yoga. Ashtanga Yoga is a dynamic and physically demanding style of yoga that synchronizes breathe with a progressive series of postures. It is rooted in the ancient Indian tradition of Patanjali's 8 limbs of yoga, but is popularly associated with the modern system developed and popularized by Sri K. Patabi Joyas in the 20th century. The practice is structured, flowing, and focused on cultivating strength, flexibility, and mindfulness. What are the key aspects of Ashtanga Yoga? Likewise, 8 yogas will be there. Ashtanga yogas, so many will be there. In that, we can discuss about something in short. Ashtanga means 8 limbs, referring to the eightfold path outlined in the Yoga Sutras of Patanjali. These are Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhyana, and Samadhi. These are the 8 limbs of 8 types of yogas. So now we can discuss about Yama, ethical discipline, that is non-violence and truthfulness, and Niyama, self-discipline, and Asana, physical postures, Asana, physical postures, Pranayama, breath control, and Pratyahara, withdrawal of senses, Dharana, concentration, Dhyana, meditation, and Samadhi, absorption and union. Next is Ashtanga Yoga benefits and uses and types of Ashtanga Yoga. Next is number 2 is modern Ashtanga Yoga system. This physical practice, as taught by Patabi Joyce, emphasizes Vinayasa, looking breath and movement in flowing sequence. Tristana, that is 3 focal points during practice. Next is breath, Ujjayi breathing. Posture, asana. Gaje, that is drishti. Gaje, that will be drishti. And the next is a series of practice. The Ashtanga system consists of 6 series. Primary series, that is Yoga Chikitsa, detoxifying and aligning the body. And next is intermediate series, that is Nadi Shodhana, cleansing the nervous system. And the third is advanced series, that is Sthira Bhaga, strength and stability. And the next is each series builds upon the nervous each series builds upon the previous one and requires dedication, strength and flexibility. Next is the fourth one is self-practice. That means Mysore style classes allow practitioners to work at their own pace under the guidance of a teacher. The sequences are memorized and the teacher provides adjustments and feedbacks. And the next is philosophy and breath. The practice is not just physical. It integrates breath and focus to foster a meditative state. Over time, practitioners experience enhanced mental clarity and spiritual growth. Next is benefits, physical, mental and spiritual. Builds strength, flexibility and endurance. Enhances concentration. Reduces stress and promotes mindfulness. Spiritual encourages self-discipline and a deeper connection to the self. Next is, if you are looking to begin Ashtanga Yoga, it is helpful to start under the guidance of a qualified teacher to learn proper alignment, breathing techniques and sequences. Would you like guidance on starting the practice or learning more about a specific aspect. But one thing I want to say in Patanjali Yoga, in Patanjali Yoga Sutras, mainly we can discuss about asanams. Physical postures are most important, and the other as pranayama. All these are the breathing controls and the systems. And next is Vinayasa and Tristhana, breathing, posture and gauge. These are will come in that Tristhana. Series of practice, primary series, intermediate series and advanced series will be there. Self-practice is most important, and philosophy and breath is most important. The practice is not just physical, it integrates breath and focus to foster a meditative state. Benefits are physical, mental and spiritual health will come by this Ashtanga Yoga. That means Sutras of Patanjali Yoga. This is the information regarding that. So it is very, very useful for every person also in the life. Wishing you all the best.